And so, as we all know, oncology is an ever-changing field, and there is maximum research in oncology at this moment in the world, as compared to any other branch of medicine, be it cardiology, endocrinology, neurology. But oncology has the maximum research right now and the maximum number of drugs which are coming to use. And it has been never so much ever, actually. And now suddenly there is so much to learn and so much to do. And as we were just chatting with other colleagues, it has become mind boggling. And so algorithms are changing so quickly and newer tests are getting added. Just remember only few years back, lung cancer was being treated, all kinds of lung cancer were same. And metastatic lung cancer used to have just 1 year survival, be it adeno, be it squamous or whatever. And we used to give similar kind of chemotherapies. But now we are, doing so much for lung cancer, and treating lung cancer has become so much interesting, and there is so much to do there. And I remember when I was training under Dr. Ashok Vaid, and we just used to say it's just it's hardly a survival, and we're just picking and choosing regimens like that. But now we follow so many algorithms: this test, that test, adeno, squamous, mutations, no mutations, PDL1, and percentages, tumor mutations. So many things are being done these days. Coming off next generation sequencing, MSI MMR. We used to read MSI MMR only for colorectal cancer. And now this is being used across the board for so many different things now. And so many new classes of drugs have come into being. And so we want to learn how to use all these tests, whatever newer tests have come, how to use them in proper perspective, and how to apply them to clinic, how to use drugs according to the results of these tests. And so we devised this meeting, and we are going to cover some basic topics. And we have Dr. B.K. Smriti with us today for covering some basics tests, and followed by a panel discussion where we are going to learn more in detail how to use this test from lab to clinic. And we'll be covering lung cancer and hematology. We have some very interesting topics, and also genitourinary, and followed by breast. So these are tomorrow. So we'll be learning a lot of newer biomarkers and the interplay of these biomarkers and the treatments of the cancers. So we have very eminent national faculty to help us all understand these newer concepts, and also to use how to use them in practice. And now it's my proud privilege to invite my teacher, mentor, and my guide, my guru, Dr. Ashok Vaid. And it's really a proud privilege for me that he's agreed to give his opening remarks for today's meeting. And Dr. Ashok Vaid doesn't need any introduction to anybody, but I would like to say he's an excellent academician and excellent leader. And I've not met a person more intelligent, more integrated, more dedicated than him, and I have learned a lot in my own life, and he's shaped many careers like me. So, sir, without taking any more time, the stage is all yours, and you can give your opening remarks and set the stage for today's meeting. Thank you, sir. Welcome.
Thank you, Sachin.